And the fact of the matter is, I eat healthy when I want to every day. I don't have anything to worry about. I eat when I want, where I want, how I want it. And but I don't have to toil in the garden like everyone else. Because Torpedo Pot grows my food for me, all I do is take my plants out as such and put it directly into the planter. So the problems that you're having with your garden, I don't have it. That's a 1-minute garden. I don't have the problems of you tilling the soil, working the soil, bringing in pesticides, bringing in all types of synthetic fertilizers, bringing in all types of I don't know, water, just running water constantly, wasting your water, having to come back and weed tons at a time, turn the ground over with a tiller. I don't have to have underground water systems. I don't have to have any of that stuff. And I eat healthy every day. And I get more food from my Torpedo Pot than you get. Each one of these planters, 40 plants, and I'm paying what, $15 for 40 plants? Let me tell you something. You're looking at pennies on a dollar to eat healthy for you and your family. Yet, I paid $127, but if I go to the supermarket, it'll cost me more than $127 to feed me and my family. Now listen very carefully. I'm feeding my whole family for a whole year off of these Torpedo Pots. I can feed my whole family. If I wanted to, I can feed my own neighborhood off of my Torpedo Pots. You, with the same money, when you go out and buy it, your food is gone within literally a week. And you have to do it over and over and over again. Ask yourself, how psychotic is that? And nothing against us as humans, but the older growing technologies that we've been able to do have not been able to support us. That's why Torpedo Pot is taking off. And that's why Torpedo Pot will be the #1 growing system in the next 15 to 20 years.